Yo, what's up everyone? It's Mark with M2M Detail, and today we got another fold with me video. It's been a while. I've been folding a lot of towels without you guys, but yeah, let's try to get back into the fold with me videos so you guys can hear me talk about the jobs and stuff. So at the end of the video, I'll go through all the towels and what they're used for and where I buy them. So let's get into it. So let's see what's been going on new. We just ordered the GoPro Hero 9 Black, so looking forward to using that. So that would be cool. Should be coming in tomorrow or Wednesday, hopefully. So we'll find out. But yeah, hopefully you guys get some new videos, new footage. Hopefully it's a little bit better. Right now we're using the Hero 7 Black. So good camera. I do have some issues when it turns on. Probably like every 5 times it turns on and it just like freezes. So I might need to do like an update or something, but it's been doing that for a while now. It's really not a big deal to me, but it does kind of suck and it is a little annoying. We did get our new laptop. We already covered that. We got a bunch of stuff in from CarPro USA. So we ordered through Sky's the Limit. I'll put a link in the description. They got great products. The pricing is reasonable. So we did get some 100 milliliters of Deluxe, which is plastic and trim coating. So you guys know the whole Tundra is all coated, all the plastic, everything's coated on it. So that was another piece we got. We got our not CK, the Seaquartz UK 3.0, 100 milliliters also. So pretty pumped up. So that was cool. And then we also did get the coating for vinyl and PPF. So it's called Skin, Seaquartz Skin. So we got that one in too. We got some applicators, some microfiber applicators, and also these Q-tips to apply coating. So pretty cool. It's kind of for like rough areas if you're doing like wool coatings and stuff and you're trying to get around the lug nut. You're able to get into those tight areas with these Q-tips, and they have like a little foam applicator on the tip of them. So it's a little different than a regular Q-tip. And let's see, so last week we had a real busy week. We worked 7 days, so that was a fun week. We did do that Jaguar XKR. You guys probably saw the video on that. I showed you guys how to do the top of the front bumper, not the full front bumper. I already had that done. My bad. I'll get you guys on a front bumper video pretty soon here. And we also did behind the Jag. We did a Porsche 911. You can check out our Instagram channel, M2M_detail, and you can see the pictures from the 911 we did. We just did a ceramic coat on it. It was a 2006, I believe, 911. But yeah, that's pretty cool. We also did a ceramic coat on a 2020 Trail Boss. It was white. So that came out really good, looking real fresh. If you guys want to see pictures of that, also check out the M2M Detail on the Instagram, and you can see all the pictures from all the jobs. We don't post that many pictures on Instagram, but you know, more of the ceramic coats, we post those on the Instagram. And let's see what else has been going on. I'm having a baby in about a month, so that's coming up real quick, let me tell you. So you guys are gonna see me doing YouTube videos when I have my little baby on the back or in the front. I don't know. We're gonna do something about it, but it's gonna be pretty cool. Talking about that, that's my wife's calling right now. Let's see what she wants. Yeah, I'm folding my towel doing a YouTube video right now, so you're on the YouTube video, but I gotta cut this out now. Damn. Alright, love you too. And we're back. So yeah, so we're having a baby November 3rd, so that's gonna be pretty cool. It's a boy, if you guys are wondering. I don't know if you guys heard about that new coating. It's like a graph coating. I don't even know how to say it. It's like graphene. So that's pretty much a ceramic coat, but it has a certain, you know, chemical in there called graphene, and it's supposed to be pretty good. So we're gonna get some of that in. It's made by Adams. It's about 60 bucks on Amazon. So we'll try that out, see if it really does make a big difference over our, you know, the UK 3.0. That's what we use 99% of the time. So we're gonna get a little panel in, probably go to the junkyard, get like a fender or something, and we'll coat bolt them and we'll see which one holds up better. So that'll be a pretty cool video. We'll get that going. If you guys don't know, Mega Towel right here. You guys could probably dry like 2 trucks, maybe 3 trucks. That towel's a beast. I had my wife wash the towels this time, so I put them in the washer because my wife and laundry, it's all bad. So hopefully she did low heat. It looks like she did because the microfibers are still really fluffy. So she probably did it right. Pretty pumped up. Thumbs up for her. Oh, so what we got coming on the Tundra, let me tell you. So if you guys know, we got a 2020 TRD Pro Tundra. I don't know if you guys ever heard of AJT Design. So they make a bunch of little plastic pieces for the interior. So you can get rid of all your chrome, you know, change the accents of the interior, like the air vents, a bunch of stuff. So I'll be releasing videos on each one and how to install them. So those would be pretty cool if you guys do have a Toyota, like Tacoma, 4Runner, whatever the case may be. They probably make stuff for your vehicle. I know they do got some stuff for Chevy, Dodge, and Ford also, but they're strictly into the Toyotas. So they have a lot more product for the Toyota lineup. But yeah, everything's on ABS plastic, made in the USA. I'll put a link in the description. You guys can check them out too. See if they have anything cool for your car. I did get the version 2 for the remote. Let me get that for you. Back. So, let me get you guys a little closer. You can check it out. So, it looks like that. And all you do is that you take apart your old one. And there's the back of it. You guys can check it all out. So all you do is take apart your old remote, you take out the computer chip in there that remotes to your car, and you install it into the new one. So it doesn't really change the size of your remote, so it's not like a case that goes on top. It's a complete new remote, which I really like that idea, and it's really cool. It feels really good. It's really lightweight because ABS plastic, so you know, it's not heavy, it's not metal, you're not gonna scratch a bunch of stuff. Really, really great product. Big shout out to them. Really good stuff. Pricing, they're expensive. That stuff's not cheap, but it's high quality stuff, so it's all good. And we are just about done with the towels, guys. We did this one quick today. I think I was folding a lot faster and I was looking down a lot, so that kind of helped out a little bit. So when the next videos come out, guys, keep an eye out, see if you can tell a difference between the 7 GoPro and the 9 GoPro. Let me know if you guys notice anything better, if the mic's better. Hopefully the mic's a little bit better. I really don't have too many issues with the 7's mic, but it doesn't sound like this mic. This mic right here is on the Sony 6500. We're on the Rode mic, so the big one on top. So it's a big Rode mic. Works really good. Every now and then I do get some static where it's like, I really don't know what causes that, but I looked it up and they said it could be interference for the mic, but I don't know, who knows, I don't know. And let's go over the towels because we only got 3 left. So right here you got the Sam's Club towels. These are the bigger ones. We use these towels only to remove compound off vehicles. So they work really good at taking compound off. They do not work good to dry vehicles, let me tell you. They don't absorb at all. This is another Sam's Club towel, kind of like the Costco one. They're a little bit thinner than Costco. We use these pretty much basically just for interior. Here's another one. Really cheap, guys. You can buy a lot of towels for a cheap price. And these towels, Rad Company, are really good towels, like drying towels. I got some for drying, like see how this one's all pulled apart. This is a door jamb towel now, so it doesn't touch the paint no more. And all right, let's do it. HDX, Home Depot, window tint towels. Costco Kirkland towels, interior only pretty much, and Wills. You separate those two. And Sam's Club, HDX, Adams Mega Drying Towel. And that's pretty much all we got here. We got a bunch of other towels in there. If you guys want to check out some cool towels, check out Sky's the Limit, Car Pro USA. They have a bunch of crazy towels. Let me show you this towel right now. let me show you this. All right, guys. So check this out. This is a Chipmunk, I think. Madness. Great towel, guys. Dries really good. Good on glass. Good on the paint. Really great towel. We also got this one. So this is like a super plush towel. Really good. Only bad thing about it, it does leave a lot of like little hairs behind, so you probably want to wash it before you start using it. Other than that though, super great towel, super soft, really good. Oh, we did get some new towels. So let me grab these. We just got these in yesterday. So we just got the CarPro towels. Yeah. So this is a 10-pack, 320 GSM, and lint free. Let's check that out. Let's see if this is lint free. Oh, nothing. So I guess they are lint free, because that is I can't see anything popping off it. So that's a lint free towel from the get-go, guys. Feels really good. Really soft towel, guys. And once again, this is CarPro lint free towels. All right, guys, so I appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe. I know these videos are kind of boring. I just try to make some content while I'm folding towels, help you guys out, let you know some insights, and hopefully you guys get some good information every now and then off these. And I appreciate you watching. Mark out.